Okay, every cube, first we need to solve the two angles of the white color. Okay, the two angle of white color is solved already. Now look for the white color is here. So you use this angle to face to you and do up, up, down, down. Okay, the white color solved already. Now we move on to the yellow color. Also need to look for the two yellow angle. Now we move up, up, down, down. Okay, yellow solved already and the white solved already. Now you see the white, blue and yellow. Three colors solved already. And on the other side here will be the red color and the green color, two angle green. So you need to do is up, down, down, up. Okay, green, red, blue, orange, white and yellow all solved already. Thank you.